One of the biggest complaints that we get from home theater clients is that, you know what, when I install my home theater, I am happy with the speakers that I buy today. But 5 years down the line, I want to upgrade them. But guess what? Since it's an installed home theater, there are very less chances of a possibility of changing the speakers, because then you have to change the size of the cutouts. So there is one brand which actually eliminates this problem, and that is Origin Acoustics. Now Origin Acoustics specializes in installed speakers. It's a company which only and only manufactures installed speakers. The story even says that the founder was irritated. He was a contractor, he was a builder, and he got frustrated with the choice of the involved speakers being used in US markets, which uses drywalls. And in that cases, the dog legs and everything was a much more painful experiment for him, and it was not giving his clients an opportunity to upgrade. So that is where he started doing engineering and created a unique product where the cutouts can remain the same, but he doesn't have to keep playing with the products. For instance, now if you look at these series of the in-ceiling speakers, if you look at the sizes of these outer dimensions, they are all same. Even the inside cutouts are all same. And not just that, we all know how important it is today to achieve angled in-ceiling speakers. Now, angled in-ceiling speakers can be used for Atmos applications, it can be used for angled in-ceiling LCRs as well. And in such cases, these ceiling speakers, which have got a tiltable tweeter, okay, where you can angle it based upon how the sitting orientation is, it comes in very, very handy for any Atmos or any other application. So they have got a single pivoting tweeter and they have got a dual one as well. So in certain models, like for instance in this, you have got one over here at the back which gets angled, and every angle, let's say if it's 15 degrees, and then I use this as another angle, the total contribution is compounding. So it's not just adding up by 15 and 15 to 30, it can go all the way up to 40 degrees of angle that you can achieve with these speakers. Now, this is another very nice brain. By simply mounting it on plastic brackets, but very nice sturdy brackets, you can actually aim the tweeter. Because we all know, when we install angled in-ceiling speakers, it's not the woofer. These woofers are giving you low frequencies and they have got a much more bigger or a wider dispersion angle. But it's the tweeter which requires a very, very sharp focus because it has got a narrow dispersion angle. So that is where by using angled in-ceiling, you can eliminate that problem. Now this is the collection of angled in-ceiling speakers as well as regular ceiling speakers. Then they have this small compact in-wall speakers which are very nice aesthetically, and again the beauty of this, no screwdrivers or no dog legs. You just use your basic clips to move this and you can get their speakers out. So these are some of the products that they carry. There is a slimline speaker as well, and when I move on to this side, these are all my front LCR speakers or the surround in-wall speakers. So they have the big ones, something like this, where you have got two mid-range, one tweeter and two woofers. Then you have these ones which have got two mid-range as well as one tweeter. Then there are single tweeter, single driver speakers as well, which can be used for surrounds. So multiple applications, the company tries to focus into the domain of installed speakers or architectural speakers as they call it. And they have got pricing starting from a nice budget level to all premium segment as well. So if you're planning to do a home theater or you're planning to do any involved setups, you can look out for these Origin Acoustics products. And they have also got a subwoofer lineup which starts from 8 inches, 10 inches and 12 inches. So a very nice range, all active subwoofers that you can see around over here. And after all, it's a US company, so bound to give you a very, very hard punch. And it's not from any other city in US, it is from Vegas. So next time you are around in the Vegas, you can actually start checking them out over there as well and see what they have in their store. Thank you so much.